Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Geography with Shyamal. In this class, we are going to discuss another geographic dualism, that is regional geography versus systematic geography. Okay, in our previous class, we have discussed about dualism in geography in the terms of human versus physical geography. Okay, in this class, we will go to discuss regional geography versus systematic geography. Okay, if you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Well, let's start the class. First of all, what is dualism in geography? Dualism is a geography refers to a fundamental debate or binary opposition between two contrasting approaches, methods, and philosophies that have shaped the discipline. These recurring tensions define the intellectual evolution of geography. Okay, for example, regional versus systematic geography, physical versus human geography, hydrographic versus normative geography, and qualitative versus quantitative geography. Regional versus systematic, one of the oldest and most fundamental dualisms in geography. Regional geography, an overview, studies the earth by dividing it into distinctive regions and examining each region's unique combination of physical and human characteristics, a holistic and area-based approach. It is a hydrographic approach, that means emphasizes the unique characteristics of each region, the what makes this place special philosophy. An integration of elements, it combines physical, human, economic, and cultural factors into one coherent regional description. Synthesis is the goal. Concept of region, regions may be formal, that is uniform, functional or nodal, or perceptual or vernacular. Region is the core analytical unit. Chorography and choreography. Rooted in the Kantian idea of choreography, geography as the science of aerial differentiation, Landerkunde in German. Similarly, systematic geography and overview, it studies specific themes or topics across the entire earth, climate, population, agriculture, cities, using a normative law-seeking approach to discover patterns and generalizations. It is a normative approach. This seeks to laws and generalizations applicable across all places, the scientific model of geography. Thematic and topical focus divides geography into sub-disciplines like geomorphology, climatology, focusing on climate, economic geography, focusing on economy, political geography focuses on economic dimensions, etc. Quantitative methods embraces statistical models, GIS spatial analysis, strongly linked to the quantitative revolution 1950s and 1960s. Universal applicability, findings can be applied globally, aims for predictive theories, example central place theory, rank, size, rule. Okay, now this is the comparative analysis between regional versus systematic. Basis, regional geography, systematic geography. Approach, hydrographic or unique normative general laws. Focus, aerial and place-based, thematic and topic-based. Method, description and synthesis, analysis and generalization. Scale, local and regional, global and universal. Philosophy, choreography and scientific and positivist. Key thinker, Hudson and Herbertson, Schaeffer, Bang and Haggett. Era of dominance, pre-1950s and post-1950s. Okay, post-quantitative evolution. Okay, historical background of the debate. 1800s classical era, Ritter and Humboldt laid the foundation. Humboldt's systematic approach versus Ritter's regional descriptive approach. Then 1913, Herbertson's regions. A.J. Herbertson proposed major natural regions, a landmark for regional classification that dominated early 20th century. 1939, Herbertson's exceptionalism, the nature of geography, defended regional hydrographic geography as a core of the discipline, Kantian chronology. 1953, Schaeffer's silence, Fred Schaeffer attacked Hudson in exceptionalism in geography, demanded normative law-seeking scientific geography. 1960s quantitative revolution, systematic approaches triumphed. Spatial science, models and GIS replaced description, geography became more systematic. Post-1970s revival of regional, humanistic and radical geography re-emphasized place, locality and regional distinctiveness. New regional geography emerged. Key thinkers, regional versus systematic. Regional geography, Immanuel Kant, chronology as method, geography, science or of place. Carl Ritter, comparative regional geography, Ard Kunde. Paul Vidal-Laplace, Page Concept, Regional Personality Possibilism. A.J. Harbachson, Major Natural Regions, 1905, Hierarchical Regions. Richard Hudson, Nature of Geography, 1939, Real Differentiation. Robert Platt, Field-Based Regional Geography in North America. Systematic Geography, Alexander von Humboldt, Cosmos, 1845, Systematic Physical Geography. Fritz Schaeffer, Exceptionalism Critic, 1953, Morphological Laws. Peter Haggett, Locational Analysis, Spatial Models. William Bang, Theoretical Geography, 1962, Quantitative Methods. Walter Christeller, Central Place Theory, Classic Systematic Model. Brian Berry, Urban Systems and Factorial Ecology, Spatial Analysis. Okay, these are some key thinkers for regional versus systematic geography. Now the Hudson-Schaeffer debate. Richard Hudson, 1899 and 1992. Geography's goal, understand the real differentiation of Earth's surface. Each place region is unique, cannot be reduced to universal laws. Hydrographic method is essential. Geography is an integrating discipline. Defended chronology, Kantian tradition as geography's core methodology. Systematic branches only meaningful when seen in a real context. Okay, Frederick Schaeffer, 1904-1953. Geography must seek morphological laws, generalizations about spatial patterns. Exceptionalism in unscientific. Geography should follow scientific method. Nomenclatic approach discovers spatial laws applicable anywhere on Earth. Hudson's chronology is mere description, not scientific explanation. Inspired the quantitative revolution in spatial science tradition. Okay, New Regional Geography versus Modern Synthesis. New Regional Geography, 1980s to 1990s, emerged as a synthesis combining systematic rigor with regional sensitivity. Scholars Dorian Massey, Alan Wade, Derek Gregory focused on locality, place, and social construction of regions. Regions seen as contingent outcomes of social processes, not fixed containers. Bridges human geography's cultural turn with spatial analysis. GIS and systematic regional convergence. GIS enables systematic analysis at the regional scale. Remote sensing produces systematic data made by regions. Regional science uses systematic quantitative tools. Spatial statistics link systematic methods with regional patterns. Example, national atlases blend both approaches effectively. Status in Indian geography and UGC. India's geography is strongly regional. Monsoon regions, agroclimatic zones. Spate, Learmont, Classic Indian Regional Geographers. UGC NET paper 1 and 2 test history of geography thought heavily. Dualism questions appear in exceptionalism, hydrographic versus nomothetic and systematic branches. Key thinkers, their works, and the chronological debate are also important for NET examination. Okay, these are some quick revision. Hydrographic versus nomothetic, regional and regional is hydrographic, systematic nomothetic. Hudson's major work, The Nature of Geography, 1939, defended regional and chronological approach. Schaeffer's critic, Exceptionalism in Geography, 1953, demanded scientific law-seeking geography. Harbatson's contribution, Major Natural Regions of the World, 1905, landmark regional classification. Quantitative Revolution, 1950s and 60s, triumphed systematic approach, model statistics, spatial science. Vidal-Laplace, French School, Page Concept, Regional Personality Possibilism. New Regional Geography, 1980s, Message Gregory, Localities, Social Construction of Regions. Landerkunde, German term for Regional Geography, County Studies, Research Tradition. Okay, the regional versus systematic debate is not merely academic, it shaped the entire trajectory of modern geography. Neither approach is superior in isolation. Contemporary geography integrates both perspectives. Understanding this dualism helps decode the evolution of geographic thought, a core UGC NET topic. Key exam focus: Hudson-Schaeffer debate, Harbatson, Kant, Vidal contributions, hydrographic versus nomothetic dualism, chronology, and quantitative revolution. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.